One day, a young boy found a simple lump of clay while walking near the river. Excited, he took it home and showed it to his father. The father smiled and said, "Son, take this clay to the street vendor who sells small toys. If someone asks for the price, don't say a word. Just raise one finger." The boy went to the vendor's stall. After a while, a woman noticed the clay and asked, "How much for this? It would be fun for my children to play with." The boy raised one finger. She replied, $1? I'll take it." Startled, the boy ran home and told his father, "Dad, a woman wanted to buy the clay for $1. His father calmly said, "Good. Now take it to the pottery workshop." The boy carried the clay to the potter. The potter examined it carefully, touched it, and said, "This clay is strong. I can shape a fine cup from it. How much is it?" The boy raised one finger again. The potter said, $10. I'll pay you right now." The boy hurried back home in disbelief. "Dad." The potter offered $10 for the same clay. His father smiled and said, "Now take it to the art gallery." The boy nervously walked into the gallery. A well-dressed artist saw the clay, lifted it gently, and exclaimed, "This is rare river clay. With this, I can craft a sculpture worth thousands." The artist asked, "How much for this clay?" The boy raised one finger once more. The artist gasped, $1,000. I'll give you 1,000 for it right away." Shocked, the boy rushed home shouting, "Dad! A man in the gallery offered $1,000 for the same clay." The father put his hand on his son's shoulder and said, "Do you see, my son? The same piece of clay was worth $1, $10, or $1,000, depending on who saw it and understood its value. In life, some people will treat you like cheap clay, while others will see the masterpiece hidden inside you. Your true worth doesn't decrease just because someone fails to recognize it. Always remember, you are priceless to those who see your real potential." And that's the story of the clay cup, a reminder that your value is not decided by others, but by how you choose to see yourself and by surrounding yourself with those who recognize your greatness. Thank you for listening to this story. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories. See you in the next one.